Hi gang, today we're going to take you along on an installation of wallpaper from Wacky World. Our talented crew has over 25 years of experience and knows exactly how to make this a quick and painless job. First, they go over the plans and organize materials by room to make sure that each wall is covered with the proper artwork. The next step is to trim the printed output down to size. Sometimes there are individual peel and stick appliques that will be installed by the client as well. Next step is to apply the paste that will adhere the artwork to the wall surface. The paste takes some time to set up, making it easy to apply and sometimes reapply the artwork until it is properly aligned and level. Our team uses a laser level to help align the art properly. Once the art is on the wall, the final trimming takes place, including any cutouts for light switches, electrical outlets, handrails, etc. The trickiest part is overlapping and cutting to make the joined area virtually invisible. After applying the wallpaper, the excess area is trimmed at the baseboards and at any window or door frames for a perfect fit. Our heavy-duty vinyl wallpaper is tough. It can withstand normal everyday wear and tear very well and is perfect for high-traffic areas and places with lots of young children. And thus completes another exciting job from Wacky World Studios.